Welcome to Redefine Creative. My name is Keegan Lanier, and today we're going to do a review of a child theme made specifically for Divi. I'm not sure exactly how to say the name, but it's by a good friend of mine, a guy I'm in a community with named Richard Pruzek. And Richard does some incredible work. We'll show you here on the screen. You got his website. Very clean style. I love it. He's got some great testimonials from people in the industry who are respected. You know, Josh Hall, great guy, knows his stuff and is really dialed into the Divi community. But Richard does some incredible design, right? We go under his child themes, and this is where some of the creations he's built live. And today we're talking specifically about this Divi child theme for plumbers, interior designers, carpenters, and other contractors. So we're going to go ahead and take you through the process. We're going to install the plugin, we're going to walk through the features, import the content, and then at the end we're going to review the child theme and make sure that it's something that may be worth it for you to purchase. You know, at $49, that's a great price for a child theme. But we'll go through the details and show you how it works. So jumping into the back end of WordPress, we're going to first install the child theme. So go under themes, and we're going to add a new one here, upload a theme, drag that over and just install this theme. So it's a pretty quick process. Once it's done, you know, we've got the most recent version of Divi 4.19.4, and we're going to activate this child theme. And I'm doing this on the fly, right? Like, I've not done this, not even installed this theme before. So this is going to be sort of us exploring it together, which I'm really excited to do. So first and foremost, I can see we've got the import here. We've got the easy demo import. So kudos to you, Richard, for including this tool. Fantastic. You can include mock posts, media, the menus, the home page and post page, widgets, the Divi option. So clearly this is built specifically for it. You've got the Divi theme builder data, which is cool. So it's updated, and WP options, and the recent post widget, which is one of those that looks to be necessary for the design that Richard's got here. We can install it and activate it. So one click, import demo content. We're going to do that and see what this looks like. So we've installed plugins, they're active. We're importing media, 124 pieces of media. We're going to create new categories and taxonomies for posts. So that's going to be an interesting process. Should be quick. I'm interested to see what was previously set up, because the child theme looks to be very, very thorough. So the media files are imported. We've got the categories and taxonomies created, pulling in new pages and posts. And then after that's done, because that's a bit of a process, it's going to set up homepage settings, install the Divi theme settings and customizer options. It's going to set up the builder data, and then it's going to import a menu, the widgets, and WP options. So we'll go ahead and skip this part. We're going to time lapse this quick to the end and get things rolling. We're getting right here to the end of it, and it looks like we've got it all set up. So we've installed, we've imported. Now we're going to go and check out the new home page. Click that button and see what we get. Now that's pretty impressive, right? All the settings, everything is there. It's exactly as it's supposed to be. Great animations, quick install. I mean, we're talking just a few seconds, well, maybe a minute total. And we've got all the pages, all the imports, everything here, the filtering, all the stuff that Richard's got set up in this child theme, the footer, all of it set up. This is really, really cool and really, really quick. So we've got all of our pages, great looking services. I mean, this looks fantastic, right? He's even got it where you can click the whole thing. Great usability, great customer experience or user experience. Great little details here, incredible artwork, the footer in place as it's supposed to be. Just a fantastic design. And then one last thing to do is to see how it looks on mobile. So let's shrink this thing down and see how the menu looks. So we've got great custom menu. It doesn't look like Divi. It looks phenomenal, actually. You got all the layers. Close that. Everything looks pretty good for mobile. And let's go back home and see what the home page looks like. phenomenal, great text size, great stacking. Everything looks really, really, really good here. Even got the filters, great usability. I think this looks wonderful. All right, so we talked earlier about the price on this, right? It's $49. If you wanted all three, and I know that he set the medical child theme and the massage and spa child theme up exactly like this one, which means you get that one-click install, insanely easy. Everything pops in super quick, easy to set up. Or you can get all three of them in one for only $97. That's a great deal. I mean, if you get all three of them, you know, it's significantly more than that. So we're talking almost $150, you know, $147. Or you can get two for the price of one, basically, and get it $97. Great, easy thing to do. Highly recommend it. I'm not sponsored. Richard didn't ask me to make the video. There's no affiliate links for this either. It is simply me taking a look at his product and really wanting to share it with you. So if you like it, go over to Richard's site. We'll link it in the description below. You can check out one of the three themes or buy the bundle and get those directly for your next project. And it's unlimited projects. Let's pull up the sales page for this child theme. Everything you get for $49, unlimited license. You're going to get support. There's no fees, lifetime updates. You've got all the custom icons, one-click color change, which we're going to get into that, detailed documentation, images included, and the one-click import. So there's 15 layouts. You've got 3 different home pages. You got all these unique icons, everything you see here. And then let's go into the documentation. So Richard's done a nice job on the install. Everything you just saw, very, very easy. We've got the accent color in the customizer. So let's jump into that really quick. We're going to go into the theme customizer here under appearance and customize. And then we're going to have a new section here that's going to have the accent color. Currently it's orange. If we wanted to change that, let's say we wanted to make it a blue. Go ahead and change that, and it's going to update over here. So our main color becomes that blue. Say we needed something more yellow. Changes everything, including here. So it's very, very interesting. If we went with red, it changes all the accents, the icons, the colors here, everywhere, right? So very, very easy to brand it to your business and make it look really good. Go back into the documentation. You got the style CSS. It's in the child folder. You've got the ability to customize the CSS as well. Again, he's got the Divi layouts already built in. So if you want to insert a section, each one of these sections is built out in its own block. So for example, if we go back to the front, we can go in to the builder and actually add in any of those individual sections directly into the layout, which is amazing. And it's simple to do because he's already got them set up. So if we go under pages, let's go see what we've got here. About page 1. Let's edit about page 1. And let's build in the front end so we can actually see what we're doing as we're doing it. Divi library is going to be an incredible, easy way to add content directly into this layout. So we've got our header, and we've got all of the information here. Beautiful, right? If we wanted to add a new section into here, let's say we wanted testimonials, we could just add a section, add from the library, and let's see how it's done. So we've got all these different sections: heroes, footers, blogs, teams, testimonials, right? So let's say I want a testimonial too. Click here, use the section, and it's just going to drop that section right in here. And just like that, we've got testimonials. And then from here, it's pretty easy. We can just customize the image. You know, if we wanted to change the image, if we wanted to change his name, change the name. We want to change the actual quote or the testimonial, change that text here. And you want to change the header. make it something more useful, you can go in here and change all of that. If you're someone who wants to spin up a very nice looking site very, very quickly and have a template that's easy to set up and one that you can use over and over again, this is a no-brainer. Spend the $50 or spend the $100 and get all three, so you've got a different design set and some different layout blocks. And then you've got the beginnings of what you can use over and over and over again as block sections for client websites so that you can build faster, so that you can create a uniform look and do it in a very cost-effective, quick way. So for that, I'm going to say, from a child theme perspective, it's modern, number one. It's built for the visual builder. It's not hard-coded and has a bunch of back-end stuff and no blocks. Like, it's built for the modern Divi layout and Divi build, which is a huge, huge perk. It's insanely easy to set up, and it's very affordable. So at $49 US, that is a very, very, very good deal. So I'm going to say this one gets a huge thumbs up from me. I would highly recommend it. And in fact, like I said, I've already bought it, and I do fully plan on using bits and pieces of this for some client sites just so that I can work quicker and build more effective sites. And Richard's work is premier. It's very, very, very good. The header is one of them I will definitely be using, because a lot of people out there build websites using Divi and don't make it not look like Divi, so their site looks like all the others, and it's really easy to tell which ones are Divi. I like it whenever it's really hard to find out if it's Divi or not. It means you know what you're doing with the platform, and you're able to take it in a direction that a lot of people just can't. I'm going to link Richard's website again below in the description. Please check him out, support his great work. He does some incredible things. And on top of the paid products like this child theme, he also does some free giveaways, which are some cool sections built specifically for Divi. So check him out and show him a little bit of love. Tag your website. So if you go and use this child theme, I want to check it out. So thanks for watching. I hope that you go out there, pick out this child theme, use it. I hope it brings you a ton of value. And if it does, again, let me know in the comments. If you like what we did here and you want more child theme reviews, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below what type of child theme you're looking for. And I'll search the internet, find them, and we'll bring them back to you here. And don't forget, be good to those around you.